Well, hello, welcome back. So 25 Broncos, they are here. They are starting to arrive at dealership lots. We're gonna go check one out today. We also got some new accessories to talk about. And finally, the spring Bronco event season is upon us. We got some good events coming up, including SuperCel Tennessee. Stick around, welcome to the Bronco Break. All right, 2025 Broncos, they are here. They are starting to arrive at dealer lots. Everything you see behind me here is a 24, but my dealer did get one new 25. It is a Bronco Raptor and Desert Tan sitting over there. And Kyle hooked me up with the keys. Thanks, Kyle. Let's go check this thing out. Nice. So this is the new 25 Bronco Raptor. It of course has the new body matched painted hardtops. And you know, I wasn't sure how much I would like it, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It looks great. Yeah. Now, it is my understanding they just got this off of the trailer a couple days ago, so they haven't given it a bath yet or anything. But I guess being dirty is kind of the natural state of the Broncos, so who cares, right? But yeah, this thing is sweet. Let's check. I wonder if this has the removable rear panels. I don't think they do. I think they are fixed. Yeah, it is the fixed. But this is the new hardtop design, which a couple people. This actually came out in 24. So a couple people have them already, but I personally have never seen them. And you know what? That material they did a good job on this. This looks way better. Good stuff. I'm jealous, I won't lie. Cool. This thing also has the, the paint matching flares. So if you're unfamiliar with the original Braptor, Bronco Raptor, they have just the textured stuff like all these guys have back here. I don't actually know if they have another Raptor in this sea of Broncos they got going on here. I don't think so. But the new painted flares definitely look a lot better. Yeah, it's this thing is sweet. Now the one thing I wanted to check on is this new 12 speaker B&O system. So supposedly, I haven't actually verified this, but supposedly the new B&O system for 25 has 2 extra speakers that it did not have in previous years. Does it say? This is the window sticker, by the way. It's probably completely glared out, but it doesn't say either way. So where did they hide the speakers? I mean, it looks like we got the standard 3 up front that we had previously. The kick panel is still there, right? Yep, kick panel is still there. And our pod speakers in the back are also still there. So it's not any of them. I was expecting it to be in the A-pillar, right here, but it's not. So I don't know. I don't know where they put it. Interesting. Well, let's give it a listen. I mean, it definitely sounds better. I don't know what they did. I have no idea where that new speaker is. It's not up here. It's not in the B pillar. It's not in the A pillar. My guess what they did is they just put 2 speakers in here instead of 1. But obviously, this ain't my Bronco, so I ain't gonna open up that trim piece. But I am curious where they hid that extra speaker. Or maybe what they did is they took the kick panel speakers down there and made those coaxial and are counting them as 2. I don't know. It definitely sounds a little bit better though. I don't know, maybe I'm just misremembering the old system, but it definitely sounds better. So good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. So on the list, we have a new accessory from Ford. What is going on? Oh, the stars and stripes are up there covering my face. So we have some new accessories from Ford Performance. I actually spotted this when I was editing my previous video, so it didn't make it into that video, but it's making it into this one. And that is the rear tailgate enforcement from the Bronco Raptor. So this guy, this was previously only available if you bought a Bronco Raptor, like that right there. But now you can order it and install it on your Bronco. So if you want some extra tailgate reinforcement, now available. Link down below. And while I'm standing here next to a Bronco Raptor, in case you didn't know, the extra bracing in the back here, that's on the Bronco Raptors. It's got, bracing back here, as well as this cross brace up here, this guy. That is also available from Ford Performance, if in case you want and or need it for your Bronco. Cool. I just spotted something over here. We gotta go check it out real quick. I think this is a Ranger Raptor in Desert Tan, which if I were to buy a Ranger Raptor, it would be that Ranger Raptor. It is, yeah. Whoo! Yep, I want it. I definitely want it. Next on the list, we have some Bronco events. Spring is almost here. We're starting to get back in the swing of things when it comes to events. April 23rd, I believe, we have Bronco SuperCel Celebration Tennessee. It is still a few months away, but I'm bringing it up now in case you want to go, because lodging and Airbnbs get pretty tight around SuperCel. So if you're interested in going to SuperCel, definitely check it out. It is probably I want to say it's probably the biggest Bronco event of the year. Bronco Nation, of course, will be there, I believe. I don't think they've announced anything yet, but I would expect them to be there. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going. I do want to go, but it just may not happen. I will be at Woodward this year though. So if you're interested in going to Woodward, I'm hopeful that we'll see some 60th anniversary Bronco stuff at Woodward, but we'll just have to wait and see. Here, you want to see my favorite Bronco color? This guy, this hot pepper red. It just looks like this thing is dirty and it still looks freaking. Here, let me show you the sun. Yeah, just like, look at that color. That is, I am so jealous. I am very jealous. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like cactus gray. I do really like cactus gray. I do, but man, there are definitely some regrets. I mean, this is crazy. We got Broncos everywhere, including this two-door. I do want a two-door. It didn't make sense, but you know, if money grew on trees, that would also be mine, as well as that Ranger Raptor and that Bronco Raptor and that hot pepper red Outer Banks. But oh well, life goes on. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab lunch. I would like to give a quick shout out to Monaco Ford in Glastonbury, Connecticut. That is where I am at right now, and they have lots of vehicles. This is the dealer that I bought my Bronco from, as well as at least two other vehicles. I don't quite remember where I got my Focus from, but anyway, shout out to them. They're awesome as usual for letting me do this. If you need a Bronco, they got them. They definitely got some. There's another hot pepper red. Still jealous. Anyway, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye. Dude, check this guy out. I don't even know if you can see in there because of the glare, but here, let me go around to this side to see if you can see in there. I would like that too, please. All right. Stop distracting myself.